Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 13th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's linked over here down in the corner. And also take a look at my website, fxpcollector.com. Make sure to check out the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, CPI inflation data today, we had a nice Fibonacci bounce, nice push to the upside. I'm on the 4-hour time frame just because I want to show that there is not a breaker structure up yet. There is definitely a chance that this move up makes a lower high, and goes down. But it's looking pretty impulsive, and some of the other dollar pairs actually look like they could even be continuing the uptrend. I would like to hope that this is potentially an ABC correction, and maybe, just maybe, we can be looking for longs from here. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So to me, this is definitely impulsive price action. But if it does, go down like this and then go up like this and then turn down hard with a lower high, then I definitely would get out of my longs and definitely even go back short. If it doesn't do that, but instead maintains momentum and just makes little pullbacks with higher highs, higher lows, goes up and breaks structure, that's what will tell me that this right here really is a bottom on the 4-hour daily time frame, and that we could be back into the uptrend on the very high time frames. So definitely pay attention to your structure, attention to whether it's impulsive or corrective price action. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.